What's going on, everyone? This is the Tusk Ignition Map Switch for all those KTM two-strokes from 2007 through 2022, and even the 2023 XCW models. Now what this does is your bike from the factory came standard with a performance ignition map. This gives you all the power all the time, and it's awesome. But if you wanted to, there's a little clip underneath your tank that you can unplug to put it in the mellow map. Now this makes it so you don't have to take your tank off, you don't have to rip your bike apart just to change your ignition maps. You plug this thing in, and right up here on the bars, you can switch between your performance map, map 1, or your mellow map, map 2. Now installing this is super easy. I just threw this on this 2013 KTM 150 right here, and it's gonna vary just a little bit from bike to bike. But in essence, you're gonna be taking your seat and your tank off. You're gonna be finding the little stock white or gray connector, depending on your bike. Unplug that. This thing is going to have matching OEM connectors, so it's gonna plug into those, no splicing required. And then you're gonna wire or run the wire up your bike how you want it, mount it to your bars, and you're ready to rock. This thing is awesome if you want to change your bike from performance to mellow for your varying terrains. This is exactly what you want. Pick yours up by clicking on the link below. And as always, if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent. Thanks so much for watching.